Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to briefly talk about the error of measurement and the use of ABS function in Excel. This is the IUPAC definition for the error of measurement. So the error of measurement equals result of a measurement minus the true value of the measurement. Result of a measurement means the experimental value. And so error equals m minus t. Remember that M comes before T in alphabetical order. So M minus T. Just remember the alphabetical order. Now, these are my measured values here, and these are the true values or the expected values. Then we can calculate error age measured, but that you write equal here and then you click measured value minus true value, and this is your error. And then we can drag this. The error can be positive, the error can be negative or zero. Sometimes we want to convert this error to absolute value. In that case, we will use an Excel function ABS. You write equal and then write ABS and then open parenthesis and click this value here and then close parenthesis, hit enter and you drag. And what does this ABS function do? It converts a negative value to a positive value, but it doesn't do anything to a positive value and zero. Instead of doing ABS to this column, we can also do like this ABS, and then you can uh, write open parenthesis and then measured value minus the true value. You can directly use this formula. And then you get 0 0.1, 0 0.55, and 0. That's it. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe for more videos on Excel and chemistry.